Today on Pinbusters, we're making mermaid slime. We got an email from Emma out in Palatine who'd like us to make mermaid slime using Elmer's glitter glue, some more glitter, because you can't have enough glitter, water, saline, and baking soda. Let's see if it works. So the first thing you're gonna need is 2 bottles of Elmer's glue. Now, the pin actually suggests using Elmer's glue. I don't know if any other kind of glue works, so we're gonna use Elmer's according to the pin. And we're using Elmer's glitter glue. We're using blue and green, just why not? So I'm gonna pour all my glue into this bowl. So after we've added the glue, we're gonna put half a teaspoon of baking soda. Oop, that might be a little bit more than half. Yeah. 1 tablespoon of water. And you're gonna wanna add the saline, but you're gonna wanna add it slowly. So you're gonna start mixing first. So we're gonna add the chunky glitter. Ooh. My husband's gonna love this bowl later. Get that in there. And then once you have all those ingredients in there, you're gonna wanna slowly add your saline solution. So you want 1.5 tablespoons of saline. It's starting to feel a little slimy. One-fourth more saline. Oh yeah, that's slimy. Now, if you want it slimier, they suggest adding more water, but I think this is slimy enough. Look at that, mermaid slime. Finally on Pinbusters, we made slime. Yay! Well, that's pin trusted. All right, that's all we have for Pinbusters today. If you guys have slime or other pins you'd like us to bust, email us at bust@pinbusterstv.com or leave a comment below. And we'll see you real soon. This is kind of fun.